Today we're taking a look at the new GoTrax G5 electric scooter. This commuter e-scooter has great features and specs with a good build quality, coming in at a really great price. You can find the GoTrax G5 on GoTrax website for $600, and we'll put a link in the description of this video along with any coupons or deals available to save you money. Alright, let's get right into it. Taking a look at the setup and unboxing, it comes in a large box, and inside you get the scooter, a user manual, install instructions, the charger, and tools for final assembly. The only assembly required is plugging in and installing the handlebars in the tube and screwing in the included screws to the stem. Turning on the scooter, there's a key code lock already enabled. You switch through the digits to unlock using 000 by using the throttle and button to confirm. You can change the code or turn off the lock if you want as well. The display of the GoTrax shows you your current speed, ride mode, mileage, and current battery level. Using the button, you can change riding modes and turn the lights on and off with a double press. You can also change units from miles per hour to kilometers per hour with a triple tap. Now, taking a look at the design and the build of the scooter, it has a large platform to stand on along with tall handlebars with a max rider weight of 264 pounds. The front stem has a folding mechanism that's easy to use and allows the scooter to fold down. For weight, it comes in at 44 pounds, which is pretty heavy to carry, so we don't recommend carrying it more than a few flights of stairs. Looking at specs, the G5 has a 500-watt motor in the rear wheel, which gives you a top speed of 20 miles per hour. The wheels are 10-inch air-filled tires, and for suspension, the scooter has dual front shock absorbers, which work well while riding on rough city streets. However, it doesn't have rear suspension, so you'll definitely feel those bumps in the rear. The battery is a 48-volt, 9.6 amp-hour battery that's located in the bottom deck. For range, GoTrax has an advertised range between 25 to 35 miles, but your true range will depend on factors like how fast you ride, your weight, and how many hills on your commute. In our tests, we found that with a 175-pound rider in the highest mode going between 15 to 20 miles per hour on city streets, we were able to achieve 18 miles of range before the battery ran out. As for hill climbing, we tested it on a few hills and found the G5 had enough power to climb hills even at a 20% grade without a problem. For braking, the GoTrax G5 features dual front and rear drum brakes along with electronic motor braking in the rear. So, with the dual brake levers, you can quickly and safely come to a stop. Looking at lights, the scooter has both front and rear LED lights which are bright, and the rear light also functions as a brake light. There's also these side-glowing LED lights on either side of the deck which look nice and help you make more visible at night. However, these are always on and there's no ability to turn them off. For waterproofing, the G5 is IP54, which means it can handle some light splashes but has limited waterproofing. So you'll want to avoid riding in the rain and find cover if it starts to rain on your commute. Alright, so overall, we think the GoTrax G5 is an excellent choice for an electric scooter, especially with the price coming in at just $600. While it could have a few more features, for the price, we think this is a great deal for a commuter scooter with these kinds of specs. Alright, next up, be sure to check out some of our other electric scooter reviews and comparisons right here on our channel.